Wooda, man. Follow me on Twitter at Wooda_3, man. Fuck with the SoundCloud, man. Wooda the Dime, man. CBTNT all the way, man. Shit. The little session here, man. We're gonna call this shit real spit, man. Shit, this. How raging that RVP with real nigga like Lil Skeet, Lil DD. Lil Poozy P, my cousin T-Car, what it do? Shout out to my nigga Herb, Lil Tank, boy, I salute. Lil JD, boy, I salute, cause I'm real. You already know how it is. You get your issue if you real, like it. Lil Wooda, and I'm real, right? No rain, fuck that, straight out the top, and I'm a bust back, straight at the top, nigga. Hey, get your bitch in my ride, and she getting up but that top, nigga. Fuck, I ain't gonna stop, nigga. Cause the shit here, right here off the top, and that real rock, nigga. You can get your serve rock, nigga, on my block, nigga. Young nigga walking around with the Glock, nigga. And you might get your ass popped, nigga. And they're like, Wooda, boy, you're going too hard. I ain't gonna stop, nigga. Fuck that. I butt back at the end of me and keep my friends at the distance cause they hating me. See, I don't know what these niggas thinking. Fuck around, blow your head. Now that nigga can't think shit. Look, big Wooda don't write shit. And that's fuck you niggas to be doubt. And look, I'm trying to get these bread. And when I stack it up enough, I might put that bitch back on your head. Look, nigga better stop playing. Hey, what I'm not saying is I'm hot, bitch, so stop playing. These niggas praying on me to fall again, but I won't do it, nigga. Serious sin, young Wooda. Get at me or get with it. And if you ain't with it, 100 to your whole family. Hey, look, nigga, what it do? Lil Woo, straight up out that view. Real niggas, I salute. 10 Top, what it do? Cause I throw it though. Hey, Elm State, what it do? Cause I throw it there. Hey, Brookwood, what it do? Cause I throw it there too. And you can go in any hood and they salute your move. Hey, get at me, man, motherfucking. What the motherfucker done, man? Just some shit. We just call that shit real spit, man. Fuck with the kid, man. For real though.